Sunny Blood, guys. So yeah, so as you can tell, I don't know if the commercial will be blurry, but here we go. I just made a purchase of the new blog last night, so I'm like, you know what? Let me take this old blog out. So let's go. Yep. So oh shit. As you can tell, this story of my life, long story short, I'm about to replace my motor once again, and this will be the third time. Actually, first was the original engine, second was this engine right in it, and third is the one about to go in. And it just it got stuck. I blew the first one, yeah. So yeah, I love working on cars. I love working on my car, especially. So just having fun in my garage. And what else can I ask for? But just have fun, you know. Stay tuned and let's see what happens, you know. Stay tuned. I really got nothing to say because right now as I'm talking, I'm just like hyped, but can't really express it because just about to, like, go through the same thing that I did the first time. So stay tuned. I hope to record more. Bye. We found the problem. Look. So I took it out and there's no bearing in it, rod bearing. Like, it's been chewed off. You see the little piece right there? Nice one.